Today we're going to have a quick look of this calculator with digital note. It has some quick info on the back of the package, but we'll just open this up and see what it's about. You get a paper instruction that is in Japanese, and the calculator. I forgot to hit record, but you do have 2 battery pull tabs that you'll need to remove, one on the notepad side and another one on the calculator. You just need to pull them out. Once you remove both of them, you can open this up and start using it. But before you do, I'll quickly mention that the cover is magnetic and the calculator buttons are those rubber ones. So you get a simple calculator on the left side. You have an on button, but there's no off button. It automatically shuts down after about 10 minutes of inactivity. Other than the standard memory functions, I find this arrow button to be very useful if you misenter a number. And also the GT button is quite helpful too. I'll pull out the pen and let's do a quick demo. So we're just gonna do a very simple calculation here. So we'll start with 7 minus 2 equals 5. And then 1 plus 4 equals another 5. Then we'll do 5 plus 5, and that'll give us 10. So what the GT or grand total do is it adds up all these numbers here, which will give us 20, because 5 plus 5 plus 10 equals 20. So to clear out this G symbol here, you just need to hit GT again and then it'll go away. It's a pretty good feature, so then I don't have to re-enter these values. And let's take a closer look at the notepad. As you can probably tell already, it has a bit of pressure sensitivity. I'm just drawing more random lines here to show that the end of the lines are more fainted because I applied less force. It doesn't have a partial erase feature, so I can, for example, erase just the lines and keep the math. It has this button which clears out the whole notes, which I find it inconvenient sometimes. And while I appreciate the pen design so that it doesn't roll around the table like batteries, it's just so black that I keep losing it from my desk and sometimes on my couch. I think it would be great if they could squeeze the pen holder on the sides instead of on the back cover, so it's more conveniently located and the pen won't disappear so often. But overall, I quite like this cover design. You can just throw this calculator notebook into your backpack and not worrying about any button being pressed. And that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.